counties on Long Island in southeast New York. Once again, this was only a test. Once again, this was only a test. This has been a test of Wednesday at 11 a.m. Specially programmed receivers are alerted for specific watches, warnings and advisories. In the event that severe weather is expected on Wednesday, or there is inclement weather, the test is postponed to the next fair weather day. This concludes this test of the NOAA weather radio and same alert systems. Here are partly sunny. A chance of showers in the afternoon. Warmer with highs 2 to 3 feet. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm device for WXL-34. We activate this alarm for the following counties in New York State: Albany, Rensselaer, Montgomery, Fulton, Saratoga, Schenectady, Schoharie, Greene, and Columbia counties. This has been an alarm test. At 7 seconds. This is a test of NOAA weather radio's warning alarm systems. The attention signals you just heard will automatically activate special receivers to warn of the impending hazard. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm feature will vary with distance from the transmitter. This test is conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, but may be postponed if there is hazardous weather in the region. In that case, the test will be held on the first available good weather day. We now return to our regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service.